September 14th and 15th, we're going to have a really symposium, a really cool event over those 2 days, Friday and Saturday, here in Providence, Rhode Island. And it's really important to me that these models and these speakers and the information that they have reach a wider audience. So we're not just talking about techniques, which is a different type of conference, and those are really important as well. But we're also not just talking about research. We're really understanding the game, like understanding the lay of the land. And so, you know, before deep diving in. And so if, you know, people who come are really going to be in a position where they can be sort of a mover and a shaker, or even just show up way more confident to practice. But also, you know, how do you decide what you're going to write about for your blog? Or if you're someone who's, you know, working in an organization or working with legislators, like here's a bit of the game plan. Like, wouldn't that be helpful?
Yes,
you know, just to come up with something way more effective with much less effort. You know, I've seen people, you know, as I said, I love to read research, and I think it's great. I've seen people go, oh yeah, I have this meeting with a legislator, and download a bunch of PDFs, print them out, so they've got hundreds of pages, and just stick them on the desk of the legislator. Like, no, that's not that's not how that works.
Right. I don't think they're going to read them.
I don't think they're going to read them. I don't think they're going to understand them. They need to be interpreted. We need to tell a story. We need to tell it in a certain way. We need to understand where they're coming from. We need to know the right things that, you know, to say to them to get the result that we want. So, and even, you know, most people watching might not even be at that place where they would know how to find 500 pages of literature. But the truth is that would not be an effective way to get the outcome that you know, that person's looking for. But what if you knew how? And as you know, we have such a heart-led profession. We have so many people who have come from second careers that they came because they wanted to have a more meaningful profession. They wanted to help people. They've helped themselves, so they've had their own health problems, and they've come through them, and they wanted to pass that on. So we have a lot of passion and heart and courage in our profession. And I sometimes feel like I see people using that energy but spinning their wheels a little bit because they don't have that perspective.